I'm gonna have to blow on this, okay? Because just give me, it's hot temperature, it's hot spicy, it's hot temperature, it's hot everywhere, it's hot all around, it's mad. Hi gang, welcome back. Hungry Mo here with another challenge and a happy new year to all of you. This one will blow your minds. All right, I've got 1,120 grams in weight of hot and spicy noodles. They are called me. I do not have a clue what that means, but I'm pretty sure it means they're so spicy, they're gonna blow my rear out. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm not really looking forward to tomorrow morning, but right, the next thing I'm doing now is I'm gonna cook these. Now it says 2 minutes, so it won't be too long. I'll be back in a jiffy. And be prepared because I'm gonna have a big rice bowl ready full of noodles. All right, I'm back, I've cooked it. I've taken a few minutes. Here we are, 1,120 grams in weight and 616 grams of carbohydrate. Hot and spicy noodles. Are you ready? I'm not, but let's do it. Let's go. Temperature's hot, really hot. In fact, I burnt the palate of my mouth. However, let's get, that's spicy. I'm gonna have to blow on this, okay? Because just give me, it's hot temperature, it's hot spicy, it's hot temperature, it's hot everywhere, it's hot all around, it's mad, it's mad. In fact, you know, blasphemy or no blasphemy, the devil would turn this down at his door. That's how hot it is. It's really hot. But here we go. Let's go. Fuck it. I'm hungry as well, and it tastes really good. But when you get that kick, oh boy, in the house make her feel like a mouse. Oh my word. They actually taste really good. They're just so hot. Yes, I could do this. I could do this. I could do this. I know you're thinking, oh, yeah, but it's so hot. Why do you care? Because the chili spice is hot. Temperature hot and spice hot. Two different things. Wow. Wow. Can you see my eye watering already? I'm not even, what? I'm not even a quarter, I'm not even an eighth, I'm not even a 16th of the way through it yet. I'm very close to 999. Ambulance, not fire engine or policeman. That's spicy, that's spicy. That is spicy. Oh my days, that's spicy. You see the brownness, the texture, the dark color you can see? That's chili powder and chili oil. There were 16 sachets of each. They were all added. It will end soon. I'm very, 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 very highly appetited fella. I could probably ram this in, I could do it in 3 minutes, I reckon. But the only thing stopping me is temperature. And maybe when I'm halfway through the chili. Help my rear end tomorrow. Say a prayer for me, all of you, please. Thank you. Ooh. give me a second. No, no struggles here, no struggles. Not yet. When you get double shafted, to put it in my cheeks, I'm eating and I feel the temperature burning the inside of my mouth, the roof of my mouth. But then after I've swallowed and eaten, the chili spices kick in like pa pa, boom boom, pow, select ta. Madness. So whatever job you guys have to go to tomorrow morning and you think, I gotta go work, yeah. Try doing this for a living. See if you can do this. That's actually nice. Oh, not now. Now it's kicked in hard. Let's take from the edges. You remember those? Take from the edges is less temperature. But let me get a big chunk on here. Hold on. That's a nice big one, isn't it? Do you want a close up of this? That's the closest I'm going to give you because I want it in my mouth. Oh my God, it's kicking in. It's really kicking in. Oh Lord. Mercy, mercy, mercy. You know what? 1 second. This is what I'm talking about now. Oh my gosh. I just see a big dark bit of chili right under my nose. Lord have mercy for this one. Let's not fuck around. Come on. Come on. We want big bits here. We want big bits. Juicy bits. Big, massive. That's a nice chunk there. Still. That one hit the spot. Oh, Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy. Please allow me. Little sip. Okay, let's get the next batch cooled down because that's what we're here for. We're not here to play games. We're here to munch bear, and it takes time to cool down. I've got to blow it so much, so hot. There's going to be serious recovery from this. In fact, I don't know what the recovery process will be. Oh, 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 whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm starting to get slightly indigestion slightly. But it's okay because we have milk. Milk will suppress the indigestion. As much as I'd like to glug that down, I can't. Food first. Drink when necessary. This is a nice chunk as well. Cheers. Good health and wealth. Prosperity. What am I prospering to? Only you guys can decide that. So keep sharing and commenting. Sorry. Fire come out of my mouth. Okay. Not even halfway there. I'm looking down, it's not even halfway. Okay, this is good. Sorry. I had to just compose for a split second there.
It's not going down.
It will go down, it will go down. It will... Does it not look like it's going down? No? Okay. Okay. We can work at that. I think we're about up here. We were up here. So I think, I don't know. I don't know what the camera view's like, but it's going down. Visually, of course. Internally, no comment. It's actually tasty, but really spicy. Oh, wow. I'm feeling it more than you can visually see it. I'll tell you that for free. Oh, there's still a lot left though. There's a lot left.
If this was a speed competition, you would be last.
Now, what you have to realise about the speed here, yeah, is it hasn't cooled down enough yet for me to go quick. You can't, it's physics, it's biology. You can't burn yourself with temperature. I wouldn't put a lighter in my mouth and leave it there for 3 minutes and have to have skin surgery internally in my mouth because of the temperature of the food. I need to wait for this to cool down before you lot get excited about the speed in which I consume this. So you can hush your batties. You can hush your batty and all. Yeah, you. Waste man. wish I could write a letter to my insides and say I really apologise on what you're going to deal with tomorrow. Been doing some calculations whilst I'm waiting for this to cool down and realised that 1120 gram weight I gave you was the noodle dry in the packet.
1.1 kilos.
So it may be 1.1 kilo in the packet, but when you cook it, like any pasta, it expands. I think we're looking at about 1.6 to 1.8 kilos here. It's starting to expand in my stomach. I can feel it. I can feel it. I genuinely can feel it now. I'm really feeling it.
Game over, bro.
No, I'm not finished.
You should finish.
No, the fat lady has not sung anything yet. I see plate. I see plate. When you see some plate, ceramics, after having this lump on here,
why are you avoiding
you get
the
happy.
spicy bit there in the corner?
You get happy. What?
The spicy bit in the corner. Why are you avoiding it?
What? Can you see that on the camera? Can you lot see that? I didn't think. I thought that was pretty well hidden, huh? Nah. All right. Okay. All right. Let me do this, and then I'll think about doing that. I really didn't think you'd see that. Oh wow! Wow. I need to move. I'm going to call it a night. I'm sorry. 1.1 kilo. I'm thinking that's minor. It's very hot. It's very filling. My stomach feels like it wants to pop out. I'm tapping out. Food won. Man lost. Don't forget though, yeah? Hungry Mo, like, comment, subscribe, share with everyone. Whatever you do, do not do what I just did.